How to use Getdist function in AutoCAD. Solution. This function is used to calculate the distance between the points. It pause for user input to enter the distance value. Syntax. Getdist PT message. PT. You can add the first point with any initial value, then second point you needs to define in drawing. Message. You can add the string for user input. Example. Getdist select points. Getdist, 00, distance. See how it works. First we see the string method to select points in drawing. Draw a rectangle at any place. Add a dimension on it. Now run the first example. Select first and second points on rectangle endpoints. You can see this function gives the distance between the points, which is same as in dimension. Now we see the second example where we added first value in function and then user can add second point in drawing. Draw a rectangle at 100, 0 and 200, 200. Now run the second example. You can see first points starts from 0, 0. Select second point on rectangle. You can see this function gives the distance between the points. Similarly, select second point on last corner of rectangle. You can see this function gives the distance between the points.